This is the saving strategy that helped my partner and I pay off all of our student loans, save over $30,000, buy a new house, and it's been mentioned in both Business Insider and CNBC. And it's called the savings ladder. The way that it works is very simple. Instead of starting with an amount you want to save for, you start with the reward you want to give yourself. You find out how much that reward costs, like maybe buying yourself a pair of AirPods, so it's $100. And then, depending on how much you want to save, you multiply that $100 times 2, 3, 4, whatever. So in order to buy your reward, like the $100 AirPods, you first have to save $300. But you don't just save $300. You save $300 plus the cost of the reward. And once you hit that amount, you buy it because you need that fucking dopamine to keep saving. And then the next time you create a bigger reward, something that is more than the initial one you just saved for. That way, you're climbing up the savings ladder. We've used this trick for years, and we started with saving small amounts and worked our way up to saving big amounts. And because we're actually giving ourselves things that we really, really want and working towards those things, it's way easier to save.